Newly refurbished Grade A factory/warehouse for rent, sale. Telok Gong, Selangor, non-flooded area, immediate occupancy, high power supply, prime logistics location. A rare opportunity to secure a newly refurbished Grade A industrial facility in the highly sought-after Telok Gong industrial corridor. Strategically positioned within a non-flooded zone, this modern warehouse/factory is designed to meet the operational requirements of manufacturers, logistics operators, e-commerce players, engineering companies, recyclers, import/export businesses, and regional distribution hubs. Property highlights. Newly refurbished, Grade A condition. Vacant and ready for immediate operations. Non-flooded location. Excellent corporate image. Suitable for manufacturing, warehousing, and distribution. Property details. Land area, approximately 2.4 acres. Built-up area, approximately 70,000 square feet. Eaves height, 30 feet. Floor loading, 3 ton per SQM. Power supply, 1,200 amps. Fire protection, sprinkler system and hose reel. CF ready. Accessibility and strategic advantages. Located within the established Telok Gong industrial enclave, the property enjoys excellent connectivity to major highways, ports, and industrial zones. Easy access to Kesses Highway, SKVE Highway, Westport and Northport, Shah Alam, Klong, Kuala Lumpur, Klia and Klia 2. Its strategic location makes it highly suitable for logistics and distribution centers, cold chain and storage operators, heavy and medium industries, import, export operations, regional warehousing, e-commerce fulfillment centers, rental, sale. Asking rental, Rm 1.50 per square feet. Approximately Rm 105,000 per month. Asking sale price, Rm 27 million, negotiable. Key investment advantages. Grade A refurbished asset with minimal setup cost. High electrical power capacity, 1,200 amp strong loading specifications for industrial operations. Ready infrastructure with fire compliance systems. Immediate operational readiness. Prime industrial location near Port Klang logistics ecosystem. Ideal for MNC manufacturers, 3PL logistics providers, warehouse operators, FMCG distribution hubs, engineering and fabrication companies, import/export businesses, investors seeking quality industrial assets with strong rental potential. For viewing arrangements and further information, kindly contact us today. Owner is welcome to list. Sunny P391. BSc Engineering UK.